What if you paused before every purchase and pictured your future self? This is the secret mental habit wealthy people use. Visualization. Before they buy, they don't just ask, "Can I afford it?" Instead, they imagine what life looks like after the purchase, both the upsides and the downsides. Take that tempting $400 gadget. The wealthy close their eyes and see themselves with the item a month later. Are they genuinely happier? Has it improved their life, skills, or earning potential? Or has the excitement faded, leaving only a dent in their net worth? They visualize the ripple effects. Will this choice create more freedom or tie them down? Will it help them reach their goals? Or is it just another distraction? By vividly picturing outcomes, they gain clarity and control. Often, this simple act is enough to curb impulsive spending and prevent regret. Visualization isn't about deprivation, it's about aligning spending with real value and purpose. Next time you're tempted, try seeing your future self first. You might be surprised how much easier smart decisions become and how much more intentional your spending feels.